history trying the two-step launch control feature. I have it set for, I think it's what, 2,500. The tires just spun. The tires spun all the way, as I figured they would. My initial thing was, when I put the new drag radials on that I have already, then I'll be able to correctly test and get the true benefits from the two-step launch control feature. These street tires, all they're gonna do is spin. You guys know the story. So that was my first attempt with the car actually in drive under load, and it works. I just need to learn how, at what RPM to set it, and how to launch, how to use it. But that's it for now. That was just a short demo clip. Peace and love. God bless. I woke up a little while ago. I'm a little incoherent, but so far so good. God bless you all, and I thank you very much for your time, views, dislikes, likes, and your help and expertise. Peace and love.